Okay, welcome back to the same topic which we were discussing earlier. So, our Earth, this is the tilt. We were discussing about latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so let's draw. These are lines of latitude. Okay, we have already discussed 0 degree equator dividing Earth into two equal parts, that is 0 degree. Now the next, here Greenwich line, that is prime meridian. These are lines of longitude. So this is what we are going to discuss today. These all are imaginary line, means a type of grid we are creating to find out the exact location of anything. Okay, so these lines which are going like this, lines of longitudes, with the help of this line we are calculating time. Okay, as in the last class we have already calculated the 1 degree time, that is 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. Okay, so in this video we will calculate India's time. Okay, just suppose India is located in east northern hemisphere, eastern northern hemisphere. Okay, what is hemisphere? If this is a globe, divide it into two parts. This is eastern hemisphere, this is western hemisphere. Okay, and we further divide it like this also. This is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. Our country, that is India, is located in this quadrant, that is eastern northern part. Means it may be divided somewhere here. Our India is located. Okay, in order to calculate time we are taking longitudes. Okay, just suppose we have India here located, so there must be difference in the lines of longitudes. Okay, we are calculating the time, so we must have some longitude lines. Okay, this is India. Okay, this point and this point, these both are the end points of Indian subcontinent. Okay, here lines of longitudes, just understood these lines. We have drawn these two lines between which we could find our country, means two end points, that is two longitudes. Okay, here we have first one and here we have second one. This having measured 68 degree 7 minutes, 68 degree 7 minutes, and here is 97 degree 25 minutes. Okay, we have already discussed that 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. We have two time zones between which our country exists. Okay, so first calculate what will be the time at 68 degrees 7 minutes. Okay, just avoid this. Just roughly we are calculating the difference between the time. Okay, so 68 degree, and here we have 97 degree, means we have two longitudes. We can measure our time according to this or this. State locating at 68 degree, that is Gujarat. State located at 97 degree, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So should we start using two clocks, one for Gujarat and one for Arunachal? No, it's not a great idea, because we have to move our economy with the same pace. Okay, so 68 degree and 97 degree, let's calculate the time. 68 degree, 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. 68 degree means 68 degree equals to 68 multiply 4. We are converting it into time and divided by 60 to convert it into hour. Okay, so okay, divided by 60, and here 97 degree, that is 97 multiply 4. Okay, and what we'll get? Oh, no need to convert it into minutes. Okay, now you can find the difference. You can find the difference 388,272. Okay, and the difference is 388 minus 272, that is 611 minutes, about 2 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, and 2 hour equals to 120 minutes, and here is the difference 116. About 2 hours difference you can find between the time of Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. So it was very difficult for us to manage. Therefore, we choose a standard meridian to calculate the time of whole country. It was 82 degree 30 minutes. 82 degree 30 minutes, and this is the standard meridian which passes through Mirzapur of state UP. Okay, somewhere here. Therefore, this is 82 degree 30 minutes is a standard meridian that is taken by us to calculate same time for whole country. So this is somehow is here, means here. The time, whatever it is here, you will have to follow here also and here also. Means people of Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat will follow the time according to 82 degree 30 minutes. And this is 82 degree 30 minutes from 0. That is Greenwich line. We are 82 degree 30 minutes from Greenwich line. That is difference. Okay, you people could find out the difference of the time. That is 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. You have to calculate this. How many times will be here? 82 degree 30 minutes. Easily calculate. 82 degree means 82 multiply 4 plus 30. It will be about 3:30 minutes. That is 5 hours 30 minutes. So it is our standard time with comparison to Greenwich line. So we are moving 5 hours 30 minutes with respect to Greenwich line. Okay, if here time is 12 o'clock, then what will be time in India? It will be 5:30. Okay, mean 17:30. So this is all about this class. In next class we will discuss some more topics. Thank you.